In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Aliexpress payment failed. The first thing that you have to do is load up the Aliexpress app and then click on account found in the bottom right corner. From here, you will click on the gear icon next to your country's flag, and then you want to clear the cache. Click on clear cache. Once you have done this, then we can proceed to the second step here, which is going to be checking our information. So from within the account section, we'll scroll down until you see payment. So click on payment, and right here you will need to re-authenticate your payment method. So if you have a bonus payment method here or the funds you can use, you can go through those, but go to your cards and then you will remove the card. So here you have the option of card transaction and you can check it, but I recommend removing your card here by clicking on remove and then re-adding your credit or debit card, or if you use other payment methods, re-authenticating those other payment methods, and that should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.